Instead of memorizing, we'll see over here integers in actions using digital manipulatives. Students often ask, why is plus minus so confusing? How many negatives and how many positives have to be added? How negative and positive neutralizes? Today, I'm going to show you this everything in front of you. Maths is not going to be abstract. It's going to be on your fingertips and on your hands using these digital manipulatives. And story is the best way to communicate, and we'll share with you with the story. So let's start and let's begin with it, and let's have a dive into the integer story, and let's meet Riya and Arjun. Best example of using integers and teaching and learning as well. Arjun will go to the left, and then how many floors he has to go up to reach and meet Riya. So let's learn through this today while using virtual manipulatives. We'll use number line and integer tiles as well. So both tools can be used. So let's learn integers while using these integer chips. The red one are the negatives and the yellow ones are the positive ones. Now, how to use this? So first of all, we'll understand then one negative and one positive, how are they going to neutralize? So these are going to be neutralized if you put them together. So this is one negative and one positive will make them neutralize. So you'll select like this and this will become a pair and it shows it is neutralized. Now going to our problem. Now Riya is at 10th one floor. So we need to take 10 chips of yellow. So keep on adding like this. You'll get the 10 yellow chips. And Arjun is at basement, that is -3. So put 3. Now let's make the pairs. How many more floors they need to reach? You will see that how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your answer will be over here 7. But then very important in integers is to mention the sign. So now these are a plus. So this is +7. So this is a positive integer. Now let's take some another examples. For example, so from temperatures to learning through lifts and many other real life examples are used for integers. So like suppose if you are going to have +5, so put +5, 5 integers, chips of yellow, and then you have to do -4. Again, you will make the pairs, and this is how they neutralizes. So one negative and one positive will neutralize, and you will have only one integer of yellow chip, like that is +1. And now we are going to reverse the question. So let's reset from here, and suppose you have now -5 with you, and then you need to put +4. So when you now make pairs, what will be left? You can select all these pairs and this will become neutralized. So what is left with you? That is only one red is left with you. That is this one. So you will have the answer as -1. Simple, easy. So while using these manipulatives, you can learn very quickly, and maths is no more abstract. We can also learn this while using this toy theater integer line. You can drag and scroll from here till which you require. Now suppose you are over here -6. So going towards from -6 to -3, how many steps are required? 1, 2, 3. So now over here, we have taken this again. You have to name this that these yellows are the +3. So going from -6 to -3, how many tiles of yellow are required? We added +3. That's how we move it. If for suppose further you have to go again, so put 2 more +1 tile +1 tile more. So -6 will go to -1 if you keep on adding 5 more. So -6 + 5, you will reach to -1. And so for more such kind of videos, provide digital manipulatives and make maths more interesting and easy and lovable and fun with you. And if you want some free worksheets to practice and free manipulatives more, just write the word link and I'll share with you. Stay connected. Bye-bye.